How to add songs to Spotify. If you want to add songs to Spotify, which means that you have got some songs on your device that you would like Spotify to show, right? Now, if you're talking about uploading songs, then that is a different matter, because for that you have to create an artist account. But if you're talking about the songs that you have on your device to show within the Spotify app, you can open the Spotify app right here. Then by default, when you come to your library, Spotify will only show you a list of songs that are within your own Spotify app or downloaded within the Spotify app. But to show the ones or add the songs that are on your device, tap on the profile icon from the top left, then simply navigate to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll find a button that says local files. You should tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can choose to show the audio files from your device with the Spotify app. So next time when you come to the your library option right here, and then you can see the local files, which means the files that are saved on your device. Otherwise, you can go ahead and disable this as well. This way you'll be able to add songs to Spotify. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.